Let's try this sample problem. During a mission to rebuild Naruto Bridge in the Land of Waves, Kakashi assigned Sakura to measure the length of a rope bridge span under intense sun. She used a 50-meter steel tape standardized at 20 Celsius, but the actual temperature was 33.5 Celsius. She measured a line that was 686 meters long. And now, determine what is the temperature correction per tape length, what is the total correction for the whole line, and see what is the corrected length of the measured line. Using the formula of correction and temperature, T is equal to K multiplied by measured temperature minus standard temperature multiplied by length. And the value of K, coefficient of linear expansion, is equal to 0.0000116 over Celsius. And now, ang first question is what is the temperature correction per tape length? Using the formula, input lang natin ang value ng K multiplied by 33.5 Celsius minus 20 Celsius multiplied by ang length na gagamitin natin since per tape length ay ang 50 meter steel tape. Input lang natin and cancel lang natin yung unit na Celsius. After that, input lang natin sa CalQ 0.000116 multiplied by 33.5 minus 20 Celsius multiplied by 50. And we have 0.01. 2 decimal lang tayo, meter. And next, letter B, what is the total correction of a whole line? Total correction daw. So, ang gagamitin natin is the 686 meters long. Input lang natin sa formula, 0.00116 over Celsius multiplied by 33.5 Celsius minus 20 Celsius multiplied by 686 meters. And again, cancel lang din natin yung unit na Celsius. And we have, input natin sa CalQ, meron tayong 0.11 meters. Di ba madali lang? And last, what is the corrected true length of the measured line? D prime is equals to measured length plus total correction. So, 686 plus yung total na correction na 0.11 is equal to 686.11 meters. And box lang natin. And if you find my channel helpful, follow me po.